In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Runway ML account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. You'll lose access to your projects, assets, and history associated with that account. If there's anything you might want later, take a moment to export or back it up first. If you have an active plan, be sure you understand how cancellation and billing work for your situation so there are no surprises. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Runway ML. In the results, click the official Runway ML website. Double-check that the URL is correct and secure so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once you're there, log in. You can sign in with your email and password or with a single sign-on provider if that's what you normally use. Make sure you're logging into the exact account you intend to delete, especially if you manage more than one. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose My Account, sometimes labeled Manage Account. This takes you to your account settings, where you can review details like your profile information and plan. On the General tab, scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where Runway places the option to remove your account, so keep scrolling until you see it. Take a moment here to ensure you've saved anything important and that you fully understand the implications of deletion. When you're ready, click the Delete Account button. A confirmation screen will appear to make sure you truly want to continue. Read the message carefully. It typically outlines what will happen to your data and access. If you're certain, proceed. To verify the deletion, you'll be asked to enter your account password. This security step prevents accidental or unauthorized deletion. Type your password carefully, then click Yes, Delete Account to confirm. If you use additional security measures on your account, you may be prompted to complete those as well. After confirming, the process will finalize and your account will be removed. In some cases, you may see a confirmation notice on screen, and you might receive a confirmation email as well. If at any point you change your mind before that final confirmation, simply cancel or close the dialog to stop the process. Otherwise, that's it. You've deleted your Runway ML account. Thanks for watching, and take care.